Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to add Tubi TV to your Hisense Smart TV step by step. Tubi TV offers thousands of movies and TV shows for free, and this guide will help you start streaming easily. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense Smart TV. Make sure your TV is plugged in and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Access the App Store. From the home screen, scroll to Apps or App Store depending on your Hisense TV model. This is where you can search for and install new applications. Step 3. Search for Tubi TV. Use the search bar to type Tubi TV. Make sure to select the official Tubi TV app from the search results. Step 4. Install Tubi TV. Click Install or Add App to download Tubi TV on your Hisense Smart TV. The installation usually takes only a moment depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Open Tubi TV. Once installed, select Open to launch Tubi TV. You can also find it later on your home screen under Your Apps. Step 6. Start streaming. Tubi TV does not require a subscription. Simply browse the library, select your favorite movies or TV shows, and start watching. Use your remote to navigate, pause, and control playback. And that's it! Tubi TV is now ready on your Hisense Smart TV, giving you free access to thousands of movies and shows anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.